Gym owners, want to know how to increase pricing on your members using AI? Of course you do. Makes it a lot easier. And increasing pricing on your membership is important to do it very often, at least once a year. Every 2 years is best. Why? Because if you don't, you're not going to be able to stay in business or be able to afford the people that you need. But how do we do it? Well, simple. Go to ChatGPT and type, please write a letter informing my members that there's going to be a price increase of $15 more per month to their membership. Be very kind, empathetic, and make sure that the goal of this letter is to get them to be enthusiastic and positive about the price increase. Let them know that you'll be able to use this increase to be able to get better equipment and overall improve the facility. You may not get the exact letter that you want, but then you could talk to it like a real human and say, be kinder, or use NLP, which stands for Neuro-Linguistic Programming, until you get the exact letter that you're looking for. Give it a test today and see how it works for you.